Anxiety, we all know it, that flutter in your chest before a big test. The worry that keeps you up at night. It's a feeling as old as time. Even animals experience anxiety. Imagine a little rabbit sensing a fox nearby. That's anxiety too, a natural response to danger. But what's happening inside our brains when we feel anxious? Let's take a journey into this fascinating world. We'll discover how anxiety works and how we can learn to manage it. Our brains are amazingly complex. They're constantly buzzing with activity. Billions of tiny cells called neurons talk to each other, sending messages all over the brain. This intricate network is what allows us to think, feel, and experience the world around us. Deep inside our brains, hidden within the temporal lobes, there's a small almond-shaped structure called the amygdala. Don't let its size fool you. The amygdala is a powerful little area. It's our brain's alarm system, always on the lookout for threats. Imagine it as a vigilant guard, constantly scanning for danger to keep us safe. When the amygdala senses danger, it doesn't hesitate. It sends out an urgent alert, like a fire alarm ringing in the brain. This alarm triggers a cascade of events that prepare our bodies to respond to the threat. It's a remarkable system designed to keep us safe in the face of danger. The amygdala doesn't work alone. When it sounds the alarm, it sends a message to a nearby control center called the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus is like the brain's command center. It receives signals from the amygdala and then sets off a chain reaction. This reaction involves the HPA axis, a pathway that connects the brain to the body. The HPA axis is like a superhighway of communication. Along this highway travel special chemical messengers called hormones. When the amygdala raises the alarm, a surge of these stress hormones floods the body. This surge prepares us to face the perceived threat head-on. It's a powerful and ancient survival mechanism. The stress hormones released by the HPA axis have a dramatic effect on the body. Our hearts race, our breathing quickens, and our senses sharpen. Blood rushes to our muscles, preparing us to fight or flee. It's an amazing transformation, orchestrated by our brains to help us survive. These physical changes are designed to help us deal with immediate danger. But when anxiety persists, these stress hormones can have a negative impact on our bodies. Chronic stress can lead to health problems, making it even more important to understand and manage our anxiety. Another area of the brain that's affected by anxiety is the prefrontal cortex. This is the part of the brain just behind our foreheads. It's our thinking brain, responsible for planning, decision-making, and rational thought. It helps us make sense of the world and come up with solutions to problems. When we're anxious, the alarm signals from the amygdala can interfere with the prefrontal cortex's ability to function properly. It's like the alarm is so loud that it's hard to think straight. This is why anxiety can lead to overthinking, worrying, and difficulty concentrating. The good news is that our brains are incredibly adaptable. They possess a remarkable ability called neuroplasticity. This means that our brains can change and rewire themselves throughout our lives. Like a muscle that grows stronger with exercise, our brains can learn to manage anxiety better. Simple practices like deep breathing, mindfulness, and spending time in nature can help calm the amygdala and strengthen the prefrontal cortex. These practices help rewire the brain, making it more resilient to stress. Over time, these techniques can reduce anxiety and promote a sense of peace and well-being.